A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello guys, myself Imran Khan and I am a mathematics teacher in Sri Academy Pashin branch. This is the lecture for class 8th. So class 8th student, as you know कि in this time I am teaching you chapter 4. Chapter 4 means cube and cube root. So today I want to teach you exercise 4D. 4D. So without taking too much time, I want to start our new chapter. Question number 1 is objective type question. Must take the correct answer in each of the following. Which of the following number is a perfect cube? 141, 294, 216 and 496. Then at first we find the factor of 141. So 141 at first we divide 141 from 3. So 3 4 are 12 and 2 3 7 are 21. After that 47 is a prime number because it will not divisible by any number. So this number will divisible by only 47. So 47 1 is 47. You see here it is not a perfect cube. Okay. After that we find the factor of 294. So 294 at first you divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7. After that 7, 7 3 is 21 and 3 1 is 3. Okay. You see here it is also not a perfect cube. Okay. And in the next 216. So 216 at first you divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, 0, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 1 and 3 1 is 3. You see here it is in the form of 3 numbers in one pair. Okay, because here is 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, so it is a perfect cube. After that you find 496. So 496 you find all the prime factor of 496. So in this form you see here only 216 is a number which is in the form of perfect cube. Okay guys, so option C is right. Next question, which of the following number is a perfect cube? 1152, 1331, 2016 and 739. So you find a factor of 1152. So you divide it by 2. So 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14 and 2 6 is 12. After that you divide it by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16 and 2 8 is 16. After that you divide by 2, so 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8 and 2 4 is 8. 2 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 36. 36 will divisible by 2, 18 is 18 will divisible by 2, 9 is 9 will divisible by 3, 3 is and 3 divisible by 3, 1 is. Okay. You see here, here you find 3 times 2 and 6 times 2 and 2 times 3. So it is not in the form of perfect cube. Okay, because 3 is not a complete pair. Next 1331. So 1331, it is obviously clear that 1331 will divisible by only 11. Okay, so it is the cube root of 11. Okay. After that you find 2016. So you find all the prime factor of 2016. After solving all questions, you see only 1331 is a number which is in the form of perfect cube. Okay, so option B is right. Next is 512. Find the cube of 512. So which option is correct? 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we find a prime factor of 512. So 512 will divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Now you divide it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. You find here here 9 times 2, so you take in each pair 1 2. Okay, so 2 multiple 2 multiple 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Okay, clear guys? So option C is correct. Next question, you find the cube root of 125 and 64. So which option is correct? 100, 40, 20 and 30. So 125 multiple 64, you find the factor of 125, so it is the cube root of 5 and 64 is the cube root of 4. So 5 4 are 20. Option C is right. Next is 64 by 343. Cubic root of 64 by 343. So 64 is the cube root of 4 and 343 is cube root of 7. So 4 by 7 means option B is correct. Next is minus 512 by 729. Which option is correct? Here option is given. You find which is right. So minus 512 by 729. So you find the prime factor of 512. So it is divisible by 8 and 729 will divisible by 9. Okay. So minus 8 by 9 means option B is correct option. Next, by what list number should 648 be multiplied to get a perfect cube? Option given here. So at first you solve it, get 648. You divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 28, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. In order to get a perfect cube, you have to multiply by only 3 multiply 3 to complete a triplet. Okay, because here 3 is not in the form of triplet. Okay, you find only 2 3 which is in the form of triplet form. Okay, so required number 3 3 is 9. Option C is correct option. Next question number 8 ki by what list number should 1536 be divided to get a perfect cube? So here at first you find the prime factor of 1536. You divide it by 2 768. Now you divide by 2 384. Now you divide by 2 192. Now you divide by 2 96. Now you divide by 2 48. Now you divide by 2 24. Now you divide by 2 12 and now you divide by 2 6. Now you divide by 2 3 and 3 1 ja. Okay, so we see that 3 is left. In order to make it is a perfect cube, we should divide it by 3. Option A is correct option. Next question number 9. 1 whole 3 by 10 power cube. What is the answer? So 10 1 ja 10, 3 13, 13 by 10. You multiply 13 by 3 times, 13 multiple 13 multiple 13 and by 10 multiple 10 multiple 10. 13 13 ja 169, 13 ja 2197 by 1000. Okay, after that you convert it into the mixed fraction. Answer will be 2 whole 197 by 1000 means option C is right. Next question number 10. 0.8 cube. What will be answer to 0.8 multiple 0.8 multiple 0.8? 8 8 ja 64, 8 ja 512. You place the decimal to the 3 places means 0.512. Option C is right option. Okay guys, so thank you and have a very wonderful day. All of you solve it into fair copy. If you have any problem, then you discuss on my cell phone number. So stay home and stay safe.